Let's focus on some of those letters we haven't done now already. T, S, B and P. Careful joining from these letters can really add to your speed. You can see here with the capital A, you can join off the crossbar of the A to the T. Use horizontal joining strokes whenever possible. You can take the T, then write S, S, and cross this one on the red line last. Let's make, and I'm going up to make, print the S, carry it up to the red line, O, N, S, and make the S contain both rotations, anti-clockwise and clockwise, and finish on the red line. Notice the height for T is this dotted line which I've added in. T is only a half ascending letter. B goes to the top of the grid, but the T is kept low. If you look at any typography, you'll notice the T has been made as a half ascending letter. So we're going to write the word butter. I'm going up to make B, up to the red line, U, T, T, cross them both together, E, R, and finish on the red line.